Hello friends, I'm Rich. Welcome to our factory. Today I want to give you a quick look about one of the critical tests we do here to ensure our top quality of our products. Let's check out the salt spring test. So, what's the salt spring test? It's a big deal in the powder coating world. It's all about make our products can stand up in the hardest working environment. Let's look at this machine. We can see this is our salt spring test machine, including some parameters such as temperature, pressure, and many other parameters. So you may ask, why is salt spring test? Because it simulates corrosive conditions that our products may face in real life, like coastal areas, industrial environments, or hot air, wet air, and whatever. It's all about the make our products can handle all these conditions. We follow the natural salt spring test standards for this test, and this test will run for 200 hours to ensure the service life of our products into 10 years, like our powder supply center, big cyclone, and the tracks and the support coats are also screened by powder, so you can use our products smoothly and rest assured. Okay, this is our production about the salt spring test. I'm Rich. Welcome to visit. Thank you.